Hey, Jericho Cruisers. We are on the morning of day 2. We just woke up. Let's go to the front door and let's see if anybody's drawing any new animals. Yeah, we got new animals. We got new animals in every space. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Line simulator.
Actually, this song's about his dick.
It's a good one. Dick. Holy shit. Yeah, but yeah, stay cool out here. It's really cold out. But he's like, what we're in. Hey, my friend, Sean. Oh, you make me blush. Might be a sunburn, not sure.
Hey, it was Sean's birthday yesterday.
Hey, happy birthday!
36.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Oh, look. Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
got found by MTV for a little show called Bully Beatdown back in the day.
Hey, Mayhem Miller!
That show ran for 4 years, and it was okay. However, it did give us a little bit of a platform, and then WWE ended up contacting us due to the song that we came out with, which was I Came to Play by The Miz.
Yeah!
I can't tell you, like, I know he's usually the bad guy. The Miz and his friend group have been nothing but loving and loyal to us since the dawn of time, and that is why we're here right now. They've been nothing but put us over for the entirety of our lives. So without this, and then getting to I Came to Play, we're nothing, guys, and we always appreciate everything that every single fan does for us every single day. Thank you so much for the support.
Yeah, buddy!
I cannot thank you enough. We were just some marks trying to get on wrestling from the very beginning, and now we're here. Let's go, Jericho Cruz.
Just got back to our room and we got some new stuff. All right. Let's see what it says. Hey, Ragers, we are stoked you made it on the ship. Our kickoff for our 6th year was jam-packed, and the rest of our vacation will be more of the same. As a special thank you for sailing with us on the epic voyage, some surprise gifts. A Rager beach towel and a Rager keychain. So we got the keychain.
You could put all the little ducks in here too with that.
I think it's a squishy keychain, so it's pretty cool. And then we got a official Rockin' Rager at Sea towel, which I think is pretty cool. And then we got this message in a bottle, which I'm not going to open, but maybe we'll open the other one. That's pretty cool. I think Jericho wrote these out, it looks like. Pretty cool. It's got some sand in there. I don't know where it's from, but I'm guessing Dominican Republic or Miami. Celebrate where you are, like. Alright, kids. We're back on the, going through the shot list. This time we just got 1792. Cross that off when we get back to the room. Alright, I'm here with, what's your name again? Oh yes, Lexa Rose. The white one. No, and we are doing our shots around the Norwegian world. And this is 1792.
Most of them, the covers, people are flocking to hear them.
I don't like
I liked it.
I did not like that one.
So I have to try it again then.
No. That was gross.
Alright, tracking down the wife, day 2. She went to do some fake tattoos with some friends who need it, so let's see. Oh no, my shoes are doing that thing where they're squeaky because they're wet. I hate that.
All right, so we tried the
The final bourbon.
the final
which is
small batch
1792.
bourbon. Yep.
So bourbon is all done.
Bourbon's all done.
And then we tried Metaxa 7-Star Original Greek Spirit.
Yep, that was
which
the other
was
one.
like poison in my mouth.
I thought it was pretty good.
Yeah, and you hate the 1792.
Yep.
So we have a long way to go on day 2.
All right, good stuff.
All right, we are here right before the Harley Cameron Australian live performance down under in the sea, apparently. And do a shot off the list. Let's see what we got. What do you want to do?
We can do a scotch, we can do a regular whiskey, or we can do a vodka.
We can do a scotch, but you know the gin's coming.
I hate gin. Do you want to do a gin? No.
Let's do a gin.
All right.
Let's do Citadel Gin de France.
Gin de France.
De
Oh,
France.
you know it's going to be terrible if it's from France.
That's why we get another one
All
afterwards.
right.
If you do a cruise with us in Europe, what are you guys having?
Citadel gin.
Ooh.
We're doing every alcohol in the whole
you
cruise.
told me.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
that's pretty badass. I like that.
All
I
right.
like that.
Let's start
Cheers.
shot gin.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To George St. Pierre.
To George St. Pierre.
And Jesus Christ.
GSP, 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 GSP.
Now GSP gets out chanted over Jesus.
Yes,
I love it.
Definitely.
I love
all
it.
the time. He's
Cheers,
French
cheers.
Canadian Jesus.
All right, yeah.
Two vodkas straight up.
Oh my God.
Not a fan, eh?
I think it was nice. I thought it was nice.
I was at the whiskey tasting just a couple of minutes ago at Maltings. They're doing it again in 2 days.
So in review, the Gin de France or something like that.
Yeah.
I actually liked it. It wasn't bad, but Nicole she is off the gin train, buddy.
Citadel gin de France. It was
All right,
wonderful.
let's do the next one here. Oh! That was timing. All right, we're back on the shot train. Harley Cameron on stage, and she's from Australia, and they're known for their mezcal tequilas.
Are they?
So we're gonna go with mezcal Montelobos Espadin. No way I said any of that correctly.
Can't wait to get you on the phone again. Going out so hot, you just like to come in. And
Like 3 days to prepare for this show. Look at the crowd right here. You guys having fun? I thought you should come up and sing with Fozzy tonight. Let's do it. On with the show.
let's give it up for Jericho! Guys, how freaking awesome is this? If it wasn't all for this man, we would not get to be here tonight, being amazing together as a family, enjoying wrestling, music, fuck yeah! 1, 2, 3,
Fuck you! Pancakes!
It feels so good. Coming out of my cage and I'm doing just fine. Never gonna be down because of my fault. Started out everything, I've never met a single human being. Now I'm falling asleep, and I just want to
Don't do it when you wanna go do it. Relax, don't do it when you wanna go. Relax, don't do it when you wanna fucking do it. Relax, don't do it when you wanna go. When you wanna go. Big city nights. Oh, you give me mine. Big city nights. Sing it, come on, sing it, here we go. Big city nights. You give me money and do it. Big city nights. Big city nights. So anyway, take a damn hand, make it turn around. You can feel it, you can feel it, you can feel it sound. Make me Now you do what they told ya. 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 Those who die are justified. And they are the red and the chosen way. Those who die are justified. We're the red and the chosen way. Those who die are justified. We're the red and the chosen way. Those who die are justified. We're the red and the chosen way.
We're headed to Cigar Lounge, and we are actually doing that weird thing where we're trying to drink every... All right, so now we're doing some brandy or cognac, and I guess we're up to Cavassier.
Yeah?
Yeah, right?
All
yeah,
right.
let's do it. All right, boys and girls, now that we've fought off Stephen Richards, Bill Buchanan, and the rest of Right to Censor, we can now do some Cavassier. What's your real name? Quakelman? Quakelman? Reven Stitchards? Reven Stitchards? All right, I'll set myself up here.
I know Granada.
Right here, look. You're watching the Royal Rumble on an illegal stream. You should all be ashamed of yourselves, all right? You should turn this off and watch my Bible or something.
Thievery is a sin. It's one of the 10 commandments.
You're a bunch of criminals. Every one of you.
And
Hard for this.
goddamn Right to Censor.
Close this down right now. Turn it off.
Thank you guys.
Can we do 2 shots of the Glenfiddich? And then can I have a Sprite separate?
Just repeating, be a man, Hogan. We have kicked this list butt today, Coley.
Yeah, I know. They're good. Glenfiddich, Perpetual Collective.
Tomorrow's gonna be all gin all day, baby.
Now I hate
Gin hates you too.
anything we're not gonna get to. It's the gin.
In Aladdin, Will Smith was a gin.
You're a fucking idiot.
All right, what's the name of it?
Glenfiddich Perpetual Collection. That
It's perpetual.
Perpetual Collection.
All right, get to the list.
Glenfiddich.
I gargled it for you, Santanta Fury.
Glenfiddich is always good.
I gargled it.
Ew. Not me.
Right, we are at Ad Libs with RJ City, which was super sick ridiculous last year, and now we're here. But we of course are drinking the
Trying
whole
another
list.
Suntory Toki Japan whiskey.
So this is
It's on
Toki
there.
whiskey.
Yep.
Here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Cheers, big ears. Crazy Lisa.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
It's like
Weird as fuck.
it's like a Glenfiddich. It's very close to a Glenfiddich, but like as if
Not good for me.
not good for you.
No, Glenfiddich way better. Way better.
It's like if you mix 50% Johnny Walker and 50% Glenfiddich. Oh,
Oh.
Reven Stitchards is here again. Damn you, Reven Stitchards.
We have to admit, we're in love with something that's really weird. And the closer we look at it, the weirder it gets. It's very confusing. It's hard to explain to non-wrestling people. I've distilled it down to this. Wrestlers say, let's pretend to do something, but let's take that thing so seriously that most of the time we're actually doing the thing that people only think we're pretending that we're doing. That would be like if a magician came out on stage with his assistant and a long box.
And cut it in half.
I'm now going to cut my assistant in half. And then, he spun around the box and he showed her off, and then he took out a saw and started sawing the middle of the box. And the assistant goes, oh my God, he's sawing me in half. And the audience goes, oh, this guy's good. If you were to come to the stage at any juncture, any of you
You didn't
could
play
walk
any entrance
through the
music.
curtain and up the stairs. This is what we
To grandmother's house we go.
This is not a bit. They're coming. Are they coming?
Play an entrance music.
Just hang out. We'll talk. If anyone who's playing the game can just come out on stage, please. That's what I'm asking. It could be anyone. Paul Roma, Hercules, anyone.
A lot of Paul Roma references tonight. Like, that's 15 today for me. Fuck Paul Roma, but he's a good guy. But fuck that
Is
guy.
no one coming?
Well. They call me the chicken of the sea. They call me Mark Briscoe, one half of the baddest tag team that ever has been. And the word of the day is victory!
I'll give you 30 seconds to say goodbye to these people.
You know, I was feeling good there for a while at the beginning, especially when I got the Dusty Rhodes impersonation. It was like, all right, I got this. But then, moving forward, it just started all falling apart. I was trying in my mind to just come up with a hilarious lines and hilarious ideas, but they just weren't coming. And these competitors that I am coming against were just so quick and so fast. And they just was coming up with so many good and witty, and some of them weren't witty, some of them weren't good at all. I just got to remember, especially on the world's worst thing, and I think that that's what sunk my ship. And let's just hope that this shit does not sink. We're going to do this. We're going to give a brother tomorrow. We'll have a hell of a good time. There's more wrestling for y'all. And it's, what, 30 seconds?
You have 30 seconds to say goodbye. I'm asking you to leave. You can give it to whoever you want. You can give it to someone, essentially eliminate the whole game.
She already got eliminated. This is horseshit.
Big Bill might win this thing.
The show's almost over. You have to eliminate someone. They all do. Pick someone out of the game. Please play the fucking game. How is that gonna work?
Oh, I forgot Australians say scissors, paper, rock.
They say it backwards? That's weird.
We're gonna go scissors, paper, rock, and that's the one. Ready?
Scissors, paper, rock.
Harley, you still gotta leave, huh?
Reiterate, you've been eliminated. I'm going to ask you to leave. It doesn't mean you're back in.
Well, everyone, I'm leaving. And just like last night, I've been just on you all.
Just like Osprey, I'm gonna jizz on you all? Oh, okay. That's... Okay, less deep than I thought it was.
Last year, like last year. Not that.
And watch that, please.
I was like, wow, that's dark.
Yeah, the way she's, all
It's okay.
bent down there. Just, I'll take a break.
Or was it Tony's store? Holy shit! music. Can we have a somber spotlight? We'll give her 30 seconds to say goodbye,
what?
and then we'll announce the
What the
inevitable
fuck?
winner.
The way I put my body on the line for everyone's entertainment. Food and... Well, fine, I didn't want to do this anyway.
It's Turbo Floyd.
Now Tony Khan's gonna split them as a tag team.
Everyone, Mark.
Day 2 back at the cabin. Let's check it out. Why do you do this cruise? Go Knicks, that's gay. Because I'm lonely, that makes sense. Let's rage, you can rage anywhere. Because I live in a small town and talk about, that is a good one. And I love to talk about wrestling for 5 days straight. And then we have draw a wrestling crowd sign.
You fucked up is a good one.
You fucked up, that's the good one. That's the go-to one.
Yeah.
All right, day 3, we'll do draw the penises.
Yeah.